Hello and welcome. This is my second report on my internship at the Elkridge Furnace Inn. Class of Spring 2019, supervised by Janelle Balin. A little bit about the owner/managers. Chef Dan Wecker. He has been cooking since 14 years old, was an apprentice in Grenoble, France, and has been a Howard hero for his work in the community. Janelle Balin, my supervisor, the daughter of Dan Wecker, is the executive pastry chef. Started working at the restaurant in her teens as catering staff and moved up to pastry, and then eventually assumed the position of pastry chef. As of starting my internship, my duties as a line/prep cook have stayed the same, but I now work in the pastry department conducting prep work. Skills that I've used/skills that I've learned at my internship. So far, the skills that have come in handy that I've learned at HCC are basic piping skills, basic rolling skills, and how to make buttercream. And I've recently learned how to make and roll fondant and different cake decorating techniques. My personal goals for this internship so far are to become more proficient in task management so that I can achieve my goals quicker in the patisserie and further develop my cake decorating skills and learn more recipes and techniques.